The best comes with the lowest with cheap secured loans. Are you searching for a loan that would be relatively cheap? If yes, then your search ends here, as cheap secured loans are specially customized for you. Cheap secured loans are offered against any collateral. It could be real estate, automobiles, or some other valuable assets. Generally, with cheap secured loans, the ranges of borrowed amount are from £3,000 to £75,000. But, in case of a greater amount, lenders will check the worth of your collateral. If your collateral has higher value, then lenders will not only be willing to offer a higher amount but also a lower interest rate. Even cheap secured loans are available for a comfortable duration of up to 25 years, and you can pay off the installments either monthly or quarterly. Cheap secured loans, however, are offered at better terms and conditions that suit the borrower's requirement. The interest rate of cheap secured loans varies from individual to individual. For a regular income earner, a lower monthly loan will help in saving a big sum of money. On the other hand, for a person whose monthly income is not stable, a loan with flexible monthly payments such as overpayments, underpayments, or payment holiday will be highly suitable. Nevertheless, cheap secured loans are obtainable against your valuable collateral. And for that, in case you fail to repay, that can put your collateral in danger. So, before applying, you will have to calculate the amount you want to borrow as a loan. Needless to say, should borrow the exact amount, as borrowing a larger amount may become a huge financial burden in the future. Now the question is, how can you get a cheap secured loan? It is a bit tough, as many lenders offer cheap secured loans to lure people. But in reality, these loans are not at all cheap. Don't worry. With some effort, you will be able to get a cheap secured loan. First of all, list your requirement, decide the amount you want to borrow, how long would you like the repayment period to be, what amount of monthly installment are you comfortable with. Next step is choosing lenders. Besides traditional lenders, you can opt for online cheap secured loans. Even, finding an online cheap secured loan is easier, just a click brings all data within a minute. And last but not the least, comparative judgment of various quotes will help you to get the best deal. The best comes with the lowest. This line is truly applicable for cheap secured loans. Like other secured loans, cheap secured loans provide the same facilities at a cheap rate. It's a favorable opportunity that will suit your pocket.